Let's start making this healthy and quick lunch. Add 1/2 cup of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Add black pepper and salt according to your taste. Mix it well. This salad dressing is easy and quick to make. You can refrigerate it and use it throughout the week. Transfer it to an airtight container and set aside. Cut 1/2 cup red pepper lengthwise. Cut half of onion lengthwise. Peel and chop half of cucumber. Add 1/2 cup of chopped cucumber to the salad. Add 1/2 cup of chopped lettuce. Add 1/2 cup of chopped avocado. After cutting, pour 1 tablespoon of lemon juice over the avocado to prevent discoloration. Add 1/2 cup of cherry tomatoes. Add 1/2 cup of broccoli cut into small pieces, 1/2 cup of baby carrots, and 1 cup of boiled chickpeas. Mix it well. Add salad dressing as much as you like. You can make ahead and pack it into separate containers for next day lunch. Mix it well. Healthy salad is ready to serve. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.